Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Basshead Garage. We have a little bit of a vehicle update for you. If you saw by the thumbnail, we got two vehicles. One, which is my very first project on YouTube. Yes, I bought back my 73 Ford F250 highboy. Here it is. His dad, Ricky's dad, that I sold it to, did not touch it at all. All he did was get it started and move it around a few times. That's basically it. Everything is how we left it. I checked the oil and the oil's fine. It's not milky. Brand new fuel pump right here, and we got fuel source. We're gonna clean this up in the next video, hopefully. Let's see. Yeah, everything is basically here. I was doing all this wiring to get it done, but yeah, we are good. We have new box, tailgate, the good fuel. I just need to rinse out that. And yeah, so this is one vehicle that we went to go grab. By the way, we hauled both these vehicles with the Dodge. Ford was the sketchiest one, but yeah, let me go show you the other vehicle. So if you guys actually remember, I bought this, a Dana 44 high pinion front axle from, a while back. Basically, I got everything back that I sold him with the truck. So thank you, Ricky's dad, for storing the truck. I am just beyond thankful for that I could buy it back. Dream truck. Dad's truck, technically speaking. Anyways, without further ado, here's the vehicle. Ricky is 50-50 on actually keeping or parting out for the RX-7 project. Let us know what you guys think we should do with it. 92 Jeep Cherokee. It's the LECE whatever one. It is the full power option, everything. Like, it is nice, by the way, guys. It is nice. Yeah, forgot this door doesn't work. The reason why, I'm not sure if Ricky wants me to tell you how much he paid for it, so I'm gonna put it on the screen how much he paid for it when he gives me permission. But the reason why we got it for said price is because this right here, the transfer case. Yep, that is the main reason why we got it for said price. But it does run. It needs a new belt because it smokes the high heaven on that belt. Like, whew. But anyways, that is the recent updates. I don't know exactly what you guys want to know on said vehicle, so let us know what you want to see on the Jeep and on the Ford, and I'll see you guys in the next part of this video, which I have no idea what it's going to be. Yeah, hey guys, welcome to the second part. I just thought of something to do for the rest of the video. We are going to, because we can't really start it because we don't have a battery for my Ford, by the way. We don't have a battery for it, and I checked the oil, it's all good. I'm just trying to think, what should I do to this? This is a Z-Mud truck. So, I want to say, let's do a little clean out of the cab, with the interior, and go from there. So stay tuned for the time lapse. So there you guys go. It is cleaned out with the vacuum. It's a lot better in here, as you can possibly see. It's not as dirty. And whoever's new to this channel, basically this truck, my dad had something exactly the same, but it was a fully custom one, like complete custom, like from ground up type deal. And let's just say it had like a 6-inch suspension lift and a 3-inch body lift, I think. But anyways, this is the color I'm making it right here, this really nice blue. This is the color that I want on it. But anyways guys, that'll be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.